Dan box your gun spender, you know that. So you come and attack and you oppose her, no.
Oh, DonPree box the Dan, go take your facts with. Spend money, buy gun, we no do the boxing.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. SilkBoss running from First Nation ends yesterday and catch them off guard with his brand new track titled Facts, which is a diss song aimed at dancehall artist Jahshii. Jahshii now decides him go ignore SilkBoss, but guess what? Him send out one of him little soldier when he am DonPree figure bust out SilkBoss head. At first when me see the song, me I say, watch you know, not even go meant it because it no make no sense. DonPree is not the man where the entire world want to see go toe to toe in a lyrical battle with SilkBoss. Jahshii are where the people they want to see do all of that. So at first me say, yo, watch you know, me not gonna mention this song. When me see the cover art, me see Ice Queen Records and whatever, me I say, yo, this coming like a joke because Ice Queen Records a Bree record label. So for Bree record label, depend the cover art, probably them take part in the production. So me I say, yo, watch you know, this look like a some big joke thing. However, me go ahead and say me I go listen to the track and me I tell you, this track is what you call counteraction. This track is what you call forward with facts. DonPree go hard, and after listening to this, hands down, me feel like it's over for SilkBoss. You better just load the clash, go focus on making a hit song and focus on the music, because if DonPree I deal with him so in this track, just imagine if I did Jahshii actually counteract the song. Even though it might be a case where Jahshii write the song in DonPree, now take away the artist credit still, because as me say, the song wicked and we definitely are going to review it right now. But before me do all of that, me have some other updates for people now. This one is really one we never want to bring, but at the end of the day, life alive, and I saw it go. Merciless. Everybody's supposed to know Merciless. One of the only man who ever beat Ninja Man in a lyrical clash. He is no longer here. He is no longer with the living. Not even go into details, but just know say Merciless is no longer around. Shabdon father did an interview. Look like it was with Dancehall Mag. And the man basically had this one Shabdon. The man said he is not the father and him willing to do a DNA to verify. Him further state, say if Shabdon is really his son after a DNA, then he would publicly apologize. But for now, Shabdon and his son, and me I wonder if it is because of what Shabdon has been implicated in, why him decide say him got this one Shabdon. Because for a man actually have your entire name, Linval Thompson Sr., Linval Thompson Jr., and the man is not your son, which mother's a fool. At least if him did get the last name alone, would I understand. But the man get the entire name, and now you come out and say he is not your son. That no look good. Anyway, enough of that. We are get straight in at the review. DonPree, check your facts. This track aimed at SilkBoss. The man says SilkBoss now will no meds from what they hear. Like him low pan weed. The way how the man sound, he going like him a choke pan Bree. Remember, you know, SilkBoss in him song say, yo, Jahshii, a bite pan whatever. Now, them a say SilkBoss, a choke pan Bree. And he now will no meds is like him low pan weed. Because I don't know, them always have to say, yo, watch you know. Let's go burn some weed and hold the meds, man. Being the fact say, yo, SilkBoss just get up out of nowhere and come say him a do this track. Them a say, no man, that man don't hold no meds. Away am I forward with?
Do not make me buck up on a rocky road.
You know, see a blood clot rocky road, man, I got you.
The man said, do not make me buck up on a rocky road. And everybody supposed to remember this infamous video, or should I say live, with SilkBoss driving, and everybody a pressure him and I say, yo, you know see your engine a drop out or your car makes more sound. And his response was that him up on rocky road. So DonPree basically I say, brother, no make me hold up on the rocky road no, because we know how we go. You have to slow down to go through the rocky road. Maybe going at all 10 miles per hour or even less. And if you're a target, that are the easiest place for the queen of them catch you and dash your way. So you must say, yo, watch you know, do. Me I beg you, please don't make me hold up on the rocky road. Them say, yo, when you go to Canada, what the fans them say you're lame. The man even go as far as say, yo, Bree, lock out the man. You hear what me say? When them say check your facts, and that you have to do. This is what we call counteraction. You can't run in a clash and you don't have no evidence for whoever you clash. You don't have no facts. You just come with some little nursery rhyme. You have to make sure say anything you say, even if you not gossip, the people then believe based on what is said and based on who say it. The man say, yo, Brayton Portmore, make them know say Portmore are my place over Phoenix Avenue and not even this are not safe. Him saying that make me believe say SilkBoss and Bree a Phoenix Avenue round a Portmore them live, because that are the only reason why him a go say yo round this are not safe. He would really need to call this, so he would more call a bad man place, a big up Grand Spanner or whatever. So if I say yo Phoenix round this are not safe, round a Phoenix scheme, he might tell us, say, yo, watch out, me know where you live. Brother, whenever you clash, I saw you have to forward. You can't run in with no little nursery rhymes. You have to forward with counteraction and facts. Michael still a fuck same way, another time I do out and I one thing me I go ask, who name Michael? That's all me I ask. Me not go say nothing more. Who name Michael? Tell me down below in the comment section. Who name Michael? Me know say no me alone want know, uno want know too, and the entire world. This a blood clot torture, never surgery. Jahshii say fi kill you off to make it worse. Man say this a torture and no surgery. Who can remember one song with SilkBoss do? Where him say him heart a hurt him. Right now him feel like him need a surgery. The man them a make him know say watch you know, this is not surgery. A torture this, because we all know when it come on to the torturing and the surgery, they are similar. You cut off one of this, you cut off one of that. They are similar. So you must say, yo, you there feel like say a surgery. Father, I torture this name. Before terror and Sabri, you been a virgin. Kill him off, no man, no mercy. A lot of people supposed to get that line and mix up, you know. It sound like him say before terror and Sabri, you was still a virgin. But I know that him say. He must say before terror and Sabri. Remember Sabri Entertainment, the recording label we actually usually record SilkBoss before Terror than all I sang them when Terror say SilkBoss already record. They were recorded with Sabri Entertainment. So basically I tell SilkBoss say, yo, if I never Terror and Sabri decide say them a go vice you and maybe a one girl era right now, you would still be a virgin. That's what the man basically has a right there. So you go to God quick, hold on for box, the Dan go check your facts with spend money buy gun, we not do the box. This is what me a talk about. The man say, oh Dan, for box Dan, go check your facts quick. So simply, he might tell us say, yo, watch you know, Jahshii had the Dan in the place. So who what Jahshii go box himself? And as me tell you, when SilkBoss said the Dan box you down a grand spend, him basically a try to boy up Jahshii. Because a man like Jahshii, them man they are top artists, them man they are running ground, them man they all over the place. And for him in a community and a pay extortion or man can deal with him certain way, that simply means he have no street cred. So that was what SilkBoss was trying to do. Bring down Jahshii street cred. But DonPree make him know say, yo, oh Dan for box at Dan, brother go check your facts. Joke thing and madness at the pan. I talk about facts, get your facts right. Remember see the old car at the stoplight. Pull up. Yo, man, them a deal with SilkBoss car, so yo, the man say, yo, when they talk about facts, get your facts right. No make me see the old car at the stoplight, yo, that one they hard. It come be like the one where him say, yo, don't make me catch you in the rocky road. No, him a go say, yo, don't make me catch you at the stoplight. As I said, if a man want corner next man, the easiest place in the rocky road are at the stoplight. You can't want easier than that. So SilkBoss, be on the lookout. When they are got you, don't stop on a stoplight. When they are got you rocky road, don't slow down. Jano, me not gonna further than this. The man say, go back down a country, no pre-pan violence. You see when there is a countryman and you forward in a town, you always get disrespected. Because them always say, oh, you're a countryman, you're not used to this, you're not used to that, you don't know this, you only know if you tie out goat and whatever. So basically I tell SilkBoss, am I you? No, don't bother with it. Don't bother take up your badness, father. Just go on back to our country, man. You go tie out some goat or whatever, but no bother with it. This are not you. So at the end of the day, as me say, me not gonna further in this track. But to me, this track is currently leading. And you see, whenever you start the clash or you first do the song, the odds is always against you. Because you're giving your opponent something to counteract. In a case with DonPree and SilkBoss, it go always easier than DonPree. And right now, even though, as me tell you in the first report me do, with SilkBoss song, the song did weak. I just the honest truth. The song did weak. This song, regardless of counteraction, this song to me stronger than SilkBoss song. And who knows, maybe this are gonna be the real big break with DonPree I go get. Cause me I tell you, that song ya bad. But tell me down below in the comment section who you feel like a lead so far. First Nation or Ice Nation? Tell me down below. Bless up.